Kravanek. We are here at Northeastern High School for our first Fields of Faith. With FCA, I am Northeastern's event planner. I went to leadership camp and God completely just radically changed my view for FCA, like completely. And He showed me what could be happening at my school and what kind of breakouts and revival could be happening through FCA at my high school.
I'm Susan Brown and I'm involved with the Northeastern High School FCA, and this is my 25th year here at Northeastern High School. Well, Fields of Faith has been around with FCA for a while, but we've never attempted it. We always think it was a great idea and just never got it together. But again, when Macy and Avery went to camp this summer and people were talking about what they did with FCA and with the Fields of Faith, then they just decided that they were going to take it and run with it. And so they started reaching out to the community. We had lots of sponsors that paid for all the t-shirts for us to give away, and we have the Gideons here giving out Bibles. We have Fountain of Life that are here with a prayer tent. You know, once we just started saying, hey, this is what we need help with, everybody was just willing to jump in and say, let's be a part of it. Mackey's band is here, so we're really excited about that. And then we actually have students that are from Camden and Brookwoodmans and Northeastern that'll be giving testimonies tonight.
As a generation, I know that people say, you know, that we're the generation that we can do and impact mighty things, but we also are the generation that tend to get a little lost and a little sidetracked. But I feel if we come in one accord like this event is doing, then we can accomplish mighty things for the Lord. In order for us to reach others and to pour out onto others, we have to pour into something. So if you are able to, you know, bless a group such as FCA at Northeastern or whatever high school it may be, do so, because if you pour out onto others, God is going to pour it back on you 10 times as much. He's going to give it to you, pressed down, shaken together, running over.